Stop staring at me. You make it harder.
How? I'm not doing shit.
You're staring at me though.
Because you look good.
Anyway.
10 out of 10. 3 million out of 10.
Okay. Hello everyone. I know it's been a long time since I have made a YouTube video, but today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this eye look. And yeah. So if you want to see how you can do this, just keep on watching and you'll be able to see what products I use. I'll put them in the description below and all that fun stuff. So catch you later. Why would you give it to me? How do I look? Do I look okay?
I'll take a video off my phone so you can see.
But wait. Stop it. Stop it, because I need to get my palettes and everything ready. Girl, I must warn you. Oh, am I too far away now?
No.
It's driving me. Oh. Can you give me the stickers for my face? That's why it's hard. Oh,
there you go.
can you take my phone out?
Why?
Because I need to look at what I'm doing. I don't even know what I'm doing. I need to find my brushes. My brushes.
You're so unprepared. Yeah, I don't like how that happens.
Don't touch.
Do your makeup.
So, I'm going to be starting with my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm going to literally hit you with this. This one. I'm going to be taking this one. I'm only starting with this one first because we're going to be doing more of like a blue-greenish look. Okay. So I'm going to start on the outer crease. What are you touching? We're going to deepen it up with an aqua color because we're going to start transitioning into blue soon. So I'm going to
most of my talking right now, so I'm just gonna keep ripping it. What are you doing green for?
I don't know.
It's not gonna match the blue, is it?
Shut up, yes. Green and blue are right next to each other in the rainbow.
You're lying to me. Purple and blue are next to each other.
Yes. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Roy G. Biv.
What?
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet.
Don't lie to yourself.
This one. We're going to be going in with this one. He's too busy interrupting me for me to talk. I'm going to be taking more of a flatter edge fluffy brush so that I can get in better into my crease. See?
Bless.
No. Thank you.
Bless your soul.
That hurt. Now I'm taking the same brush I used and I'm going into a darker blue, if I can get it. Going into this color to deepen up my outer corner. Now I'm going into an even darker blue, a navy color that's over here in the corner. This one. Oh, why are you laughing?
You did not say that.
Oh, excuse me.
You are not excused.
So now I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is in the color porcelain beige. Because this is actually my natural color concealer because I am that pale. Right, anyway, so I'm going to be cutting my crease, only halfway though. Okay, next I'm going to be going into the BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette. And I'm going to be taking more of a flatter brush so I can really pack in the shade that I'm using. So I'm going to be going in with Spirit, this color that's right here.
Elmo does lucid dreams.
Okay, so now I'm going to be using Makeup Revolution's Vivid Baked Highlighters. The cap broke off, but it's basically like this gold. Okay, it's this gold two-toned highlighter. It's really pretty. Pew. Yeah, I know you really messed me up there, but it's alright. You want to take a swatch? Nope. It's already too late. Already done. Levered me up. Can't really. I'm not good at swatches. Oh, wait, hold on, wait. Ah, look at that. Too bright, the camera can't even focus. And now I'm just taking this, I'm putting it on the inner half of my eye, and I'm blending it in with the already purple or iridescent color we have going on. I'm going to be taking Palooza, which is this teal color right here. I'm going to be doing my under eye right now. So now I'm going to be going into the Jaclyn Hill Vault collection. I'm going to be taking the palette Dark Magic, and I'm going to be going in with Busted, which is this dark blue color, and I'm going to be taking that on the outer corner, blending it into my lower lash line, and then I'm going to be going into Temptress, which is this black color that's right there. Now, as you can see, I already have one eye done with the glitter lining my crease. So what I'm doing is I'm taking dual eyelash glue, and I'm taking it on a really pointy brush, and I'm putting it on the back of my hand and just lining right where I cut the crease. Then I'm going in with NYX Now I'm going in with NYX Loose Glitter in the color, I guess, Crystal. It's like the hollow glitter. And I'm taking that and using the same brush and just patting it on right where I put the glue. So now I'm going to be taking Kat Von D's tattoo liner. It's the new dagger one that she has. And I like it because it's more angled at the tip now, so it's easier to use. And I'm just lining my eyelid with it. Now I'm going to be using my lashes from the Lash Plug, New Jersey, on Instagram. Go look at them. These are in the style Just Me. We're going to be putting these on with some duo lash glue.
And try.
Can you stop? So now I'm going to be using these little sticker sheets because I feel like these fit really well with this makeup. And I'm going to be using this big one. Thing on. So now I'm going to be taking these Velvet Luxe lipsticks that I got online by Tony Dash in the color Angel.
Shake it, shake it, shake it.
enjoyed this video. I hope everything was good. Yeah. Like I said, I know this has been a while since I've made a YouTube video. It's just school has been a lot and my life has been a lot, so therefore I haven't had time to make any new videos, but I'm trying my best to get back into it and stuff. So here's the start to something new. So if you guys want to check out my Instagram, it's acgmakeup_. My regular Instagram is Angelica Gama _. I'll put that all down below too, as well as I'll put it up on the screen right here somewhere. And yeah, so if you want to see more looks like this, you want to see other looks, you want to see challenges with this boy right here is holding up my light, which won't come into the camera, but
Fine.
yeah.
Oh hell no. I just ruined it. I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's okay. You didn't ruin it.
That's right. I made the video. It's like, nah.
Go subscribe, like, comment, do all that fun stuff, and I will be back sometime soon because I'm gonna try my best. Anyway, catch you guys later.
Alright, bye guys. Duskas. Nos vemos ratito. Swag. Are you still recording?